Guys, I'm here with my son. Here's Gummy.
Alright.
And guess what? We're going to do a video about what, Gummy?
Mangoes.
Mangoes. And we are going to talk about the white mango right here. And check this out. Look at all the mangoes.
Yeah, but you see bigger ones.
That's right. We got the bigger ones right here. Look at that. These are getting big already. Maybe 6 weeks, a couple months. They should be big enough that we can eat them. And then it still got flowers. And if you can see on the top here, it's got
Alright, now
hundreds of little mangoes. Look at that.
Daddy, now let's talk about the white mango.
Well, we're talking about the white mango. And we're showing that we have flowers, we have little mangoes, many of them, and we have already some bigger mangoes from the first flowering. So this is a very productive tree right here. And you can keep it small as well, and it'll still give you tons of fruit. So it's a little fibrous, but it actually tastes very sweet. In the Caribbean and Cuba and all that, they call it the white mango. And you also have the yellow mango, which is this one here. That's throwing new leaves because I pruned this one. And it does have a flower right here. You can see.
Daddy, that's a mamey tree.
And that's a mamey tree too, Gummy.
Alright, Daddy, let's go find the white mango.
Let's go find the white mango right here. Gummy, you're gonna eat white mangoes this year?
Daddy, no, Daddy, let's go find one.
What, but you're gonna eat it this year?
Let's see.
Let's see.